talking, they say I'm the shit. He just be calling to pick up his bitch. I keep this 9 right on my side, so I think that you should stay on your side. Okay, niggas be talking, they say I'm the shit. He just be calling to pick up his bitch. I get this 9 right on my side, so I think that you should stay on your side. Bitch, you be mad as real as it get. Nigga be acting like he is a child. He got some bad sabbaths on the mind. Back in the day, we was making them plays. I remember, so I patiently waited. I remember when I patiently waited. You wanna out with them gangster and hang with the chick, cause it's big, no, you never could tame it. You don't got what it takes to be gangster. Drop from the bottom, now trying to make that shit. Everybody know we so with them eagles. Every time they say they wanna take pictures. Alright. You don't wanna take to be gangster. I came in here, you ain't lame. You know that you ain't really gang. You know I am a prince. That's why I'm wearing my crown. And these niggas you can't get along. You really tryna hit with them killers. You don't fit in. You still wear out like you was a pencil. Won't keep on playing with me. Boy, I burn you at 30 degrees, so you know we can't compete. Look, I don't fuck with these niggas, you know it. I came in here and I'm playing with my soda. You know that I don't fuck with these niggas. Every time I see I got pop, look, you know I keep with my shot. They were to me trying to get a picture. I don't need fuck with my fans. If you don't, boy, I'm going with hand. Nigga know that I was trying navigation. I come in here, you trying to say this. Look, hey, let me hop that real quick before I get real pop. Niggas wanna talk like a tribe, but I come in here, just get your little top back. I don't really talk with these niggas again. That's why I don't fuck with these niggas. Real as it get, nigga be acting like he is a child. He got some bad sabbaths on his mind. Back in the day, we was making it plays. Gotta remember that patiently waited. I remember we made mistakes. You wonder how with them gangsters, but hang with them killers. You really him. Hey, you don't got what it takes to be gangster. Start from the bottom, now try to navigate. Everybody know we still with them eagle. Just like a prince, so stay in my lane. Nigga want I like they know me and shit. I came and hit her to pick up his bitch. She said she love me and I don't love her back. I just go ahead and throw her stuff. She shit like a stripper, so you know that I'm with it. These niggas can't get me and I move too fast. And then right and yes, that I got to this shit. I got a drink cause the chopper's right on me. Look, if he's a 47 and I bring in a kids like a 47. These niggas don't know me. I'm LeBron James. I came in the head, I do it for fame. Nigga wanna tell me they know I'm the shit. He just be calling to pick up his bitch. I keep this 9 right on my side, so I think that you should stay in your something. Bitch, you be waiting, I patiently waited. Nigga wanna try navigation. I keep it 40 right on my side, so niggas know you better hang with your guy.